Alright, so the last update for the room. That flue pipe in the chimney, in another video, it's coming out because the chimney's not needed anymore. This thing is going to be direct vent. The Navions are condensing, so they're going to draw and exhaust to the outside. I wouldn't doubt that these yahoos, they already said they're going to put the exhaust out, but I'm betting they're going to suck internal air. And I don't know how that's going to work, because this window here is, right now it's fixed. So if you were to close this door and this place was all finished, this will be the mechanical room. You need return air in here somewhere, or what they call makeup. So I don't have the, that's not my thing. I mean, that's theirs. Now they're bitten to be a pain in the you know what, because they're so lackadaisical and they do horrible work. I was just looking at this. I'm putting a level on anything. I'm going, yeah, that's level. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, I said I wasn't going to pick on them. I'm not going to mention the company name or the people, but they suck. So there you go. So I got the boards on the walls. What I was experiencing is all of the houses in this area have a very soft brick. It's almost as if the strength is in the mortar. When they did this back in the 1800s again. So what happened was I tried to use lightning bolts or something called expansion bolts. That's what this is. So I used 6-inch bolts and it pulled out 2 inches. So what is actually happening is I thought it was crushing in the hole, but no, the expansion bolt itself is actually sliding in the hole as you tighten it. So what worked better were, these are concrete bolts, and they're 1/2-inch holes. But what I managed to do is do a 3/8 hole with the concrete bolts, and it worked. So now, just for safety and giggles, I will add these kind of bolts up here, at least 1 or maybe 2. Because don't forget, this, you're not going to see this. When you see the next video, probably you're not going to see these bolts. I countersunk it with a, what they call a Jody Foster bit. And so that it's flat, so I can get my CDX on there. And probably a piece on top, maybe the sides. And yeah, that took most of part of the day dealing with that. So now that I got a solution, that's what I'll do, just for safety and for the cost of a bolt. Let's see, 8. They're about $2 a piece. Yeah, about $2 a bolt. That's what it costs here. So anyway, yeah, that's the deal with the bricks. They're very soft. Also, we're not far from the ocean, so a lot of these houses around here, believe it or not, used beach sand back in the 1700s. Or the 1800s. And if you know what that is, if you're a mason, as am I, beach sand you can't use because it has sodium in it. So, okay, so that's the end of the day. This is all cleared and ready. Tomorrow we'll put the board on there and hopefully hang the Navions, and then pick back up with the domestic hot water and cold water. See ya.